Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hand quilt for beginners. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a sharp needle, ideally a size 9 or 10, which makes pushing through fabric much easier. Select a strong, mercerized cotton thread that complements your fabric colors. Don't forget a thimble. It's crucial for protecting your finger as you push the needle. Having these items ready ensures a smooth start to your quilting journey. Next, we prepare our quilt sandwich. Lay your backing fabric face down, then center your batting on top. Finally, place your quilt top right side up. Make sure the batting extends at least 2 inches beyond the quilt top on all sides. Secure these 3 layers together by basting. You can use safety pins, spaced about 4 to 6 inches apart, or long basting stitches to keep everything stable. Now let's master the running stitch, the heart of hand quilting. Hold your needle with your dominant hand and gently support the fabric with your other. Push the needle through all 3 layers, creating small, even stitches. Try to achieve 8 to 10 stitches per inch for a durable and beautiful finish. Consistency in stitch length and spacing is key to a neat appearance, so take your time and practice. Finally, let's talk about finishing your hand quilt. When you reach the end of a thread, secure it with a small knot hidden within the batting. Once all quilting is complete, trim any excess batting and backing fabric evenly around your quilt top. Then, bind the edges of your quilt for a clean and professional finish. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep quilting to improve your stitch consistency and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.